of you, you're sitting with people you've never met before, and you're making friends, and you're meeting people, and that's what we're about. We're about building.
What this is about is the ability to dream, and our dream is to impact the world, one person at a time, with love and hope, and to maybe, just maybe, inspire you to dream about your what if.
What if you tossed your fears aside of what people might think and follow that dream you have deep inside?
For us, our dream is to mobilize others, to impact the world with you. What you've just watched is simply a tool to reach people.
And we're just getting started, and we invite you to come join us.
Remember, evil always wins when great men and great women simply do nothing.